Hello everyone, welcome to Food Pros channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Ambur chicken biryani. You all know India has lots of varieties of biryani, but this biryani is one of the unique and authentic flavors of the south. And even it is one of the top 10 biryanis in India. To make this biryani, I'm using 3 cups of zeera Samba rice. This is a short grain rice and gives the authentic taste of the south. If you couldn't get zeera Samba rice, you can use basmati as well. Soak the rice with water until they are covered for 20 minutes. I have soaked 10 red chillies in water, and this is a key ingredient to make our biryani. To the mixie jar, add the soaked red chillies with some water that's been soaked and then grind it to a nice fine paste. Look at the bright red color, our taste maker is ready. Let's get into the spices. I have few cloves, 5 cardamom, few black stone leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise and 1 bay leaf, 1 large onion thinly sliced and 1.5 large tomatoes thinly sliced, 1 handful of chopped mint leaves and 1 handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup thick yogurt and chicken. Other ingredients are ginger garlic paste, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. To a wide pan, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. It is totally up to you. You can use either ghee or completely make the recipe using oil. Let's start adding the spices. I'm adding all the dry spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, black stone flower, star anise and the bay leaf. Oh, I had some water in my hand, it started splashing, so I just threw the bay leaf. Make sure your range is on medium, otherwise they'll be burnt. Let's start adding the onions and saute them until they are lightly golden brown in color. This is a small tip. While sauteing onions, you can add half a teaspoon of salt so that the onions get caramelized quickly. To saute the onions, it may take up to 5 to 7 minutes. It depends upon the amount of onion you're using. Another tip is red onions are naturally pungent, so always make sure you're cooking them on low flame. You can see the onions, they are completely cooked, they are getting light golden brown in the bottom, and now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste to them, 1 tablespoon at a time, and cooking it until the raw smell fades away. The raw smell of ginger garlic paste has faded, and now I'm adding yogurt. The reason why we add yogurt is to tenderize the meat. Yogurt is completely combined. You can see the oil oozing out everywhere, and this is the time where we add the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. The mint leaves and coriander leaves, they are completely combined, and now it's the time to add the red chilli paste. Make sure that you adjust the red chilli paste according to your spicy level. This one which I've got is from Andhra Pradesh. They are way too spicy and I can handle heat. So I'm adding like 7 tablespoons, tasting it, and then I'm gonna adjust it in case if I need more. I just tried the biryani base. I think it needs little bit more heat, so I'm adding 2 more spoons and then back to sauteing mode. Once you see the oil oozing out, it's time for you to add the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a natural antioxidant and it is rich in curcumin, which boosts the immune system. Next, we are adding garam masala. Garam masala is nothing but the combination of dry spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg and red chilies. Make sure the garam masala is completely combined and add tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes for 3 to 5 minutes because tomatoes release a lot of water and the cooking texture is soft tomatoes. In case if your masala is little bit thick, add 2 tablespoons of water and keep cooking them for 5 minutes. I'll show you the closer look, and this is what we are looking for. It's time to add the chicken pieces, and I'm using young and organic chicken because they are less than 4 to 5 lbs. You can also notice that the chicken cuts that I'm using are a little bit bigger than the one which we use for our regular chicken curries because the bigger the meat, the bigger the taste. Make sure the chicken pieces are completely coated in our biryani masala, and now it's time to add water. The correct proportion is 1:2. Like if you have 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water for the zeera Samba rice. We have taken 3 cups of rice, so we need 6 cups of water, and make sure you're using the same cup that you have measured rice. Add salt according to your taste. And finally, add lemon juice. Lemon juice is added to enhance the flavor and cook the meat evenly and tenderize it. Cover your pan with the lid and then cook it for 10 minutes on medium-high. It's 10 minutes now and I'm adding the last 2 cups of water and covering the pan again and cooking for another 5 minutes on medium-high. Last 5 minutes is done. Let's open up this baby and then see how well it is done. My kitchen smells amazing. I'm transferring our biryani base to a rice cooker and I'm going to add rice. During the whole cooking process, in case if your rice is soaked for more than 30 minutes, drain the water and keep the rice aside, otherwise our biryani will be soggy. Treat your biryani rice like your newly wedded bride, because if you overstir them, they tend to break and our biryani will not be in the right consistency we are looking for. Keep it gentle, keep it clear. We have reached the final stage. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and few coriander leaves before I close the lid. These are the instructions that you need to follow if you're using a pressure cooker, rice cooker or instant pot. Our Ambur chicken biryani is ready. It's time to open up and have a look. Look at the color of our biryani. The red chilies have sure done its magic. Let's see how well our chicken is done. I'm just giving a quick swirl to see how well it is. The moment I reach the chicken, it's just falling off the bone. That's a sign of a perfectly cooked chicken. I always recommend you to transfer it to another bowl so that the bottom doesn't keep cooking. Take a look, our Ambur chicken biryani is done. It's singing flavors, it's screaming South India. I hope you all absolutely loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Pros. I'll see you all in another video soon. Until then, bye from Archana. Take care everyone. Bye bye.